Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting access and the right permissions in Parchment. Set up an institutional account and verify identity so you can transmit records. Once done, assemble the transcripts you'll send. Accepted formats are PDF, XML, CSV, and confirm each student's privacy consent. Next, build a recipient list with accurate emails, delivery preferences, and student ID to avoid mismatches. As you upload the first batch, watch for simple validation errors and correct them now so the rest of the workflow runs smoothly. Next, map your transcript fields to Parchment schema so grades, terms, and credentials align correctly with recipient expectations. Make sure validation passes. Check file integrity with checksums, review OCR quality where applicable, and correct formatting issues like page breaks or missing data. Then select delivery options, electronic exchange, secure PDF or postal mail, and enable tracking plus recipient notifications. If using API automation, batch the payloads and test with a small sample before scaling to full production to catch edge cases early. To finish, confirm that each delivery completed and reconcile status codes against your recipient list. Download receipts and any rejection notices for records. Archive sent transcripts and maintain audit logs to support compliance and seed updates back into your student information system. Notify students when dispatch is complete and provide tracking info. If something goes wrong, first check for mismatched ID or failed schema validation. If delivery is rejected, review the rejection reason, correct the source file, and resend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.